Hello there. Today we will go through how to spawn a Sentinel with your Syrius wallet using a VPS. We will also run through how to stake and delegate your test Zenons to a pillar. The faucet has stopped dropping the daily test coins since 3rd of May. There is an error upon requests, it could be back again, we shall wait and see. But in my opinion, it has stopped and Zenon is getting ready to move to the next stage. Please note, this is the public testnet. Do not send your Zenons to Syrius wallet. Let us begin. Before we start with setting up a Sentinel, let me show you how you can stake your test Zenons to earn QSRs. Launch the Syrius wallet, click on Staking tab. Key in the amount of Zenons you want to stake, then choose the staking duration. For now, there are options to stake from 1 day to 12 days. Select the number of days, as per your preference, but do note, when you are staking, your Syrius wallet needs to be running on your PC. So if you select to stake for 12 days from the dropdown, you will need to keep your PC running for 12 days. You could also choose to delegate your Zenons to any functional pillar to earn delegation rewards. Delegators will be rewarded in Zenons, unlike staking. It is very simple, and you don't need to keep your PC running for this. Click on the Pillars tab, you will see the top 10 pillars listed. Click on the one you choose to delegate to. And click Delegate. You can also use the same step to undelegate your Zenons anytime. First, let's sign up for a VPS, for those who haven't yet. For this tutorial, we will use UpCloud. Fill in the required details for signing up. In the promo code tab, type 98J4W7, this will give you free $25 for a free trial. The free trial is for 72 hours, I suggest manually top up a $15 payment if you have successfully registered the Sentinel, and plan to run it for a month. Lastly, click on Deploy Server. Once deployed, choose your server preferred location. Next, choose your package. We will choose the $40 package, which gives you 4 cores processor and 8 GB RAM. Next, choose the operating system. We will choose Ubuntu 20.4 LTS. And then click Deploy. Once deployed, you will get an email with your username and password. You can also see them in the notifications. To spawn a Sentinel, first you have to register it. Let me show you how. Click on the Sentinels tab, select Spawn Sentinel. You will need a minimum of 50,000 test QSRs and 5,000 test Zenons. Deposit the minimum requirements by simply following the steps on the wallet. And then, click Register. You can use your wallet receiving address to register. Next, open the PowerShell app. Please note, every space, every caps matter. So copy and paste it from the paste bin. All commands are in there, you will find it in the YouTube video description. Type SSH, space, root, or the username provided by the VPS provider. Followed by @sign, followed by the IP address, which will be on the home page of UpCloud. Press Enter. It will ask you for your password. Enter the password that was emailed to you by UpCloud. Or check the notification on the UpCloud home page. The first thing we will do is change your password, for security reasons. Once logged in into the server, type in PASSWD, it will prompt you to key in the new password. Next, we will update, upgrade and install the NTP, which is the Network Time Protocol service. It is very straightforward. Type in apt update, with space in between. It will run and install the updates for Ubuntu. Followed by apt upgrade. And then type or paste apt get install NTP. It will install the NTP service. Restart the server once it is done. You can do that from the home page of UpCloud. Let's move on. Log in again with SSH user ID and password. Copy and paste the following. All the links to paste will be in the description below. The next few steps are very important. Follow the commands. Setting up a Sentinel is very similar to spawning a pillar. If you haven't seen the tutorial on spawning a pillar, you will find the link in the description. Press Enter after every command. 1. apt install zip. 2. wget-testnet.cnn.space/download/znn-bundle-linux-m64.zip. 3. unzip znn-testnet-bundle-linux-m64.zip. 4. chmod plus x znnd. 5. chmod plus x znn-cli. 6. chmod plus x znn-deployer. 7. ls space-la. Once you key in ls-la, you should see znnd, znn-cli, and znn-deployer in green. Next paste or key in .znn-cli, enable RPC. And then, .znn-deployer. You will get a list of options. Choose number 5, which is, Configure Sentinel. Click Enter. It will then ask you to input the Sentinel registering address. Paste your wallet address, which was used to register the Sentinel with on Syrius wallet. Enter. It will ask you to input a name for the Sentinel. Enter. That's it, you're done. You can go back to the deployer, and choose option number 6, that is check node status. It will show you that you have Sentinel with the configuration you applied. You can always go back to the deployer and check if the ZNND service is running, by choosing number 7. Please try this at your own risk. I do not hold any responsibility if it's unsuccessful. Join the community, links in the description. If you need any help, comment on the video. Or reach me on Telegram. Thank you.